Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Okay, Dale, so what you're saying is we should just never use Wi-Fi.
Well, no, that's not really what I'm saying, because we can do some things to defend ourselves against cracking on wireless. Again, I go back to the same statement I made in understanding ethical hacking, and that is, there's nothing that is completely secure. But knowing what your risks are helps you to make you stronger or safer. I mean, I have a really high chance of being killed in a car accident if I drive, but that doesn't mean I'm going to stop driving. I know what my risks are, and therefore I'm going to do things like wear my safety belt. I'm going to drive defensively.
But Dale, I'm really scared.
I know. But let's talk about how implementing some very basic things that we should already be doing, but people just have this tendency of overlooking them, can actually help you in securing down your wireless network. The first thing would obviously be our passphrases. We've talked about those passphrases, or sometimes refer to them as the PMK. If you make the passphrases in WPA complicated, make them not only complicated, but also, remember we go back to talking about the length of our passwords? Get a passphrase in there that's at least 20 characters long, if not longer. And do me a favor, and remember, when creating these passphrases, follow the same guidelines that we had with passwords. Don't use real words that can be found in a dictionary. And in an enterprise environment, I would actually look at the process of changing the passphrases at least once a year. Another option that you can do is look at some of the additional controls that are provided to us already. Are you using a VPN? What about NAP? For those of you guys that aren't familiar with NAP, that's the Network Access Protection. Microsoft has their own version that gives me additional control over end-user connectivity. So think kind of outside the box. And then lastly, look at the client settings. Use WPA2 with EAS and CCM encryption only. Also, when it comes to the client settings, for the validation server, make sure you use a specific server address. I know that sometimes we try to take shortcuts or use automation by saying, hey, take the next available authentication server. Well, don't do that, because you're just asking for someone to fire up an evil twin. Oh, evil twin. We'll talk about that in another module coming up here.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.